everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download HODL application on your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Play Store. Once you're inside your Play Store, go to the search box and type in HODL and search. Once you find this application in the search result, tap on the install button to begin downloading the application on your Android. Now, wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, and once it's done, you can open the application and get started. So that is how easily you can download HODL application on your Android phone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.